Hello and welcome back to the channel. Do you have a team that loves using Google Sheets for its easy real-time collaboration? But for your serious data analysis, your dashboards, and your financial models, you need the raw power of Microsoft Excel? This often leads to a nightmare workflow, constantly downloading CSV files, copying and pasting data, and never ever knowing if you have the latest version. In this video, I'm going to show you the Holy Grail. I'll teach you how to automatically and dynamically sync your Google Sheets data directly into Excel. No more manual downloads, ever. The magic behind this is a powerful tool already built into Excel called Power Query. You don't need to install anything extra. You just need to know where to click. Let's get started. First, let's go to our Google Sheet. Here I have a simple sales report that gets updates daily with new sales. The first and most crucial step is to publish this sheet to the web. Go to File, then Share, and select Publish to the Web. A new window will pop up. Here's the important part. Under Link, make sure you've selected the specific sheet you want to share. Then change the format from web page to comma-separated values or a .csv file. Now click the blue Publish button and confirm by clicking OK. Google now gives you a special link. This is the key. Copy this link to your clipboard. That's all we need to do in Google Sheets. Okay, now let's jump over to a blank Excel workbook. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon at the top. On the far left, you'll see a section called Get and Transform Data. In that section, click the button that says From Web. A dialog box will appear. Simply paste the link you copied from Google Sheets into this box and click OK. Power Query now connects to your Google Sheet and shows you a preview of the data. But wait, you might notice a very common issue here. Do you see how our headers like order ID and product are being treated as the first row of data with generic column names like column 1, column 2 above them? Don't worry, this is a very simple one-click fix. Instead of clicking Load, we first need to quickly clean our data. Click the Transform Data button at the bottom. This opens the Power Query editor. This is an incredibly powerful tool, but for now, we only need one single button. On the Home tab, look for a button right in the middle called Use First Row as Headers. Click it, and boom. Power Query instantly understands and promotes that first row to become the proper column headers. Now the data looks perfect. Okay, our data is clean. Go to the top left corner and click the Close and Load button. And just like that, all of your data from Google Sheets is now inside Excel, perfectly formatted in an official Excel table. But here comes the absolute best part. This is not a static one-time copy. It's a live connection. Let me show you. Let's go back to our Google Sheet and have a team member add a new sale. Let's say a new sale for a mega widget for $500. Now we go back to Excel. Nothing has changed yet. But all you have to do is go to the Data tab and click the big Refresh All button. Watch the table closely. Boom. The new row instantly appears in your Excel file. No copy pasting, no downloading, no hassle. Think about the possibilities this unlocks. Your sales team can update their pipeline in a simple Google Sheet, and your financial models in Excel are always using the latest numbers. You can use Google Forms for surveys and analyze the results in real time in a beautiful Excel dashboard. It truly is the perfect bridge between the world-class collaboration of Google Sheets and the unmatched analytical power of Excel. So stop the manual exporting. It's time to build this automated bridge in your own workflow. If you found this Holy Grail tip helpful, please do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people. And be sure to subscribe for more tutorials on mastering both Excel and Google Sheets. Let me know in the comments how you plan on using this powerful technique. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.